Children, welcome to the EVS class. Today we are going to begin with a new chapter, that is directions. Directions in Hindi we say disha. कौन से दिशा में जा रहे हो? In which direction you are going? See, every day we go somewhere or the other and we should know the directions, na? है ना? From home you go to school, huh? Nowadays you are not going to school, but usually, है ना? Every day you go to school, then you come back and you come to know on through which directions we have to go, which road you have to follow, है ना? So likewise, when you're going to somewhere else nowadays, so we are taking help of the Google. The Google map is helping us. But before we see, even you must be knowing, the children, they are very smart enough. Nowadays you're fiddling with the mobile and you know that how to go about with the mobile and find the directions and all. But exactly what the direction is, the basic things you should know is that let us study the direction. In case suppose if somebody gets lost, so we ourselves get lost, so then we can through directions we can come back to our destinations. So let us begin with the direction, children. See, when you stand, you have a four main directions, that is your right side, your left side, है ना, right, left, behind and front. Okay, ठीक है. Now we have public and the natural places in our surroundings. This means what? And we are surrounded with the in the neighborhood there are so many places. The public places are there in our surrounding, है ना? And in order to know the exact position and the location of a place, we have to refer to the directions and the distance. Okay, so all these four directions we call them as a cardinal directions. The four directions are called as a cardinal directions. What are they? Let us find out. Now see, where this boy is standing in front of the, now this is the sun is rising. Okay, you also try to do this beta. The sun is rising, he is standing facing towards the sun. ठीक है, आप जब सन जहाँ से उगता है, when you are facing towards the sun, that is the east direction. इसको बोलते हैं ईस्ट. एंड द ऑपोजिट, एग्जैक्टली द पीछे का पार्ट जो है ये हो जाएगा आपका वेस्ट. ठीक है, एंड ऑलवेज दिस मच यू रिमेंबर, द बॉय इज फेसिंग द राइजिंग सन, सो ही इज फेसिंग द ईस्ट. ही इज फेसिंग द ईस्ट. ओके, हाँ, he is facing the east, EAST, east. Okay, now here, now suppose if this is a sun, he is facing towards the sun. If this is east, so naturally the opposite is going to be the west. ठीक है, opposite direction. The sun sets in the west. अब यहाँ पे sun set हो गया है, that is why they are not showing the sun. यहाँ पे वो set हो गया है. Okay, so if this is east, जब सुबह होता, अभी देखो शाम हो गया, देखो, look at the properly. In the previous one, see the sun was rising, it was a east. ठीक है, now the sun is setting this side, so ये हो गया आपका west direction. So east and this is west. ठीक है बेटे. Now very simple, always towards your left side. अगर आप east की तरफ खड़े हैं, so always towards your left is going to be your north direction. Always towards the left is going to be the north direction and here is going to be a south. ठीक है, so ये आपका left side हो गया north. The boy's left hand points to the north and his right hand will points towards the here south. So these are the four main cardinal directions. Now and they are in opposite direction. East, उसके opposite में west, north, उसके opposite में south. The boy's left hand south and the right hand is towards the south. Okay, now see children, every day the sun rises in the morning in the east. ये देखो, ये जो ग्रीन आपका जो जा रहा है ना बोर्ड, ये अगर ईस्ट है तो आपका ये वेस्ट हो जाएगा. द सन सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. ओके, तो ईस्ट वेस्ट, लेफ्ट साइड में ऑलवेज नॉर्थ एंड हियर विल बी साउथ एंड दिस इज ऑपोजिट. एवरी डे द सन सेट्स इन द वेस्ट, ये वेस्ट हो गया, ये राइज इन द ईस्ट. द डायरेक्शन आर ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर. देखो ऑपोजिट में है, एक इधर तो एक इधर, एक इधर तो एक इधर, दे आर इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शंस. That's all for today. This was only the basic things we have learned. Remember, the sun always rises in the east and always your left side, if you are facing toward the east, your left side always will be towards your north. The right will be always towards your south. The sun always sets in the west, children. Okay? So the sun rises in the east. If you are facing towards the sun, आपका back side जो है back, आपका वो west हो जाएगा. Face आपका east की तरफ है, back आपका west की तरफ आएगा. लेफ्ट हैंड आपका नॉर्थ जाएगा, राइट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड जो है आपका साउथ में जाएगा. आप यू ट्राई टू डू दिस, फाइंड आउट. ठीक है. सपोज अ गर्ल हैज़ हर बैक टू द राइजिंग सन. अगर उसका बैक राइजिंग सन में है, द ट्री इज़ ग्रोइंग ऑन अ लेफ्ट साइड. अगर ट्री लेफ्ट साइड में है, सो इन विच डायरेक्शन इज द ट्री, है ना. ट्राई टू फाइंड दिस. अ गर्ल हैज़ अ बैक टू द राइजिंग सन. सूरज जहाँ उग रहा है वो आपका उधर बैक हो गया. ठीक है. अ ट्री इज ग्रोइंग ऑन योर लेफ्ट साइड. ठीक है. इन विच डायरेक्शन इज द ट्री, ये पता लगाओ. दिस इज द होमवर्क आई एम गिविंग यू. ओके. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन. हाँ, इफ यू वांट यू कैन रीड द पेज नंबर 62 ऑफ योर EVS बुक. यू विल गेट द आंसर. आंसर इज नॉट रिटन बट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ठीक है. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. प्लीज ट्राई टू डू दिस. गॉड ब्लेस यू चिल्ड्रन. बाय.